Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Neo of AhhhSoNeo and you are watching an unboxing. If you'd like to know what I picked up from the On The Go collection, then please keep watching. Hi my lovelies, welcome back to AhhhSoNeo. My name is Neo. This is my corner here of the YouTube world and I'm mistletoe. I don't believe in decorating for Christmas until after Thanksgiving. Actually until December 1st, but I saw this t-shirt and I remembered it and I was like, somebody give me a kiss. Welcome back to my channel guys. I bought something from the On The Go collection. I am so excited. It's been so long since I've seen a Louis Vuitton collection and thought I have to have that. And you know, sometimes I just want like the little accessories, but it's been so long since I've seen a bag and thought I have to have that. And then I saw this bag and I thought, yes! So I'm so excited to share this with you guys. It's everything I bought is just in the boxes still. I haven't opened anything. I just haven't had time to. So you guys get to share that pleasure with me today. Thank you. So if you're new, hi, welcome. Sit down, have a drink, get some popcorn. It's gonna be fun. I'm a chatty Cathy, so be patient. If you've been here before, you know the drill. You guys are the real MVPs. Thank you so much for coming back. So excited. So the On The Go collections causing quite a stir. Actually was able to pick up one piece and had it waiting for me at the store when I got a phone call that they were sending me another piece, the exact same piece. So a bit of excitement there. But before we get on to that level of excitement, I do have something else that I purchased. This was also sent to the store. And I'm a little bit disappointed with my store because I thought for sure that I had it shipped to the store because I thought for sure I would get the new holiday packaging. That was the whole point. I did not have to leave the comfort of my home, but I left for the holiday packaging and I didn't get it. So now I'm like, dang it, I'm gonna have to buy something else? Probably not. Probably not. But I did my receipts in here, of course. And I did pick up something that I don't know why. Yes. This is, of course, the Louis Vuitton Agenda 2021. I really have no idea why I bought this. I'm hoping 2021 is going to be better. And you know what? I take that back because even though there's a global pandemic and you know the elections and all that stuff has been interesting in America, lots of people are thriving through this time. So I'm going to have to make some plans and write them down in 2021, and I'm going to use my 2020 for the rest of the year. I will. I must have a soccer tournament somewhere I've got to go to. I'm not ready yet to open it since of course it's been some time, but this is the beautiful one with the Vivian drawings, and I keep mine, this is the medium size because I have the medium graphite, Damier graphite agenda. Let's move on. Could I not have gotten the giant holiday bag? Honestly, that's almost as much as I wanted this. I wanted the holiday bag. Of course, my piece came in the box. I had it delivered to the store. As I said, they did open it just so I could briefly look at it and make sure it looked great, because we all know that Louis Vuitton quality these days can be challenging. I do feel they do take a bit more care with the limited edition items, so let's make sure of that. The other one, God, I have not been this excited about a bag in forever. This is my second monogram bag, not counting that one because that's a luggage piece. And I have a Louis Vuitton Tivoli PM. And I'm not a fan of the monogram. I love it for luggage, but not for handbags because it's monogram. But this, with this print, I saw this picture and I was like, I have to have that bag. End of discussion. And then gosh, remember I had the Monogram Giant purse, the pink one, the pink Speedy that I ended up shipping back, and I will link it up here. Because when you turned it to the sides were atrocious. The bag was pink and red and neon yellow and neon orange. It was terrible. These sides I like. This AhhhSoNeo thing here is actually a pocket. So I obviously will never put anything in there because I don't want to distend that. But yeah. Wow, it's a Speedy 30. The other bags in this collection were the white and blank monogram canvas. Okay, I'm a 90s baby. Well, I'm older than that, but I call myself a 90s baby. And I was around when, actually the 2000s? Yeah, I was around when the original multicolor came out. And when I saw the new one, I was like, no, nowhere near as good. I was really hoping the lining was either going to be red or blue. So I was a little disappointed when you open it up. It's just the deep dark brown. And then this bag is a bandolier. So my straps are in here, and these are not in their plastic bags because I did ask her where's the strap, and she showed it to me. It's not your typical bandolier because the bandolier strap usually goes around there. Obviously they would not have been able to do that with this pocket. So they do have two hooks on the back here where you can attach your strap. And it is the new treated leather. It's not the original Vacata leather. So I think it's not supposed to patina as quickly. I used to have a Speedy 30 that I had on a strap like this. It was not a bandolier. So I had the straps hooked similarly to this, and it was just terribly uncomfortable. I don't think the strap was as long, so that might make a difference. No, I don't know because I may or may not be wearing pants, so we'll leave it at that. And then also in here is my very shiny, wow, very shiny lock, and its little home. Oh. I cannot wait to use this and love it. It is stunning. Thanks to everybody who helped me get this, because you guys know that limited edition pieces now are always selling out so ridiculously quickly. Yeah, there it is. My Louis Vuitton on the go. Let me know if you've been able to get something from this collection or if it was a pass for you. There's so many new Louis Vuitton releases now that I can't keep up. I don't like half of them. I hate to sound like a hater, but I'm really not impressed with a lot of the stuff that's coming out lately. And so I'm tending to stick to just buying, I think the only other purse I bought this year was Empreinte. And I know Empreinte leather doesn't keep its value, so who knows. And this, which I have no intention of selling because I love this piece. So yeah, thanks so much for coming and check me out. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use this. Alright guys, remember what I always say, choose happiness. It's a choice. It's a choice you get to make every day. Make the right choice. Choose happiness.